Okay, so today we're going to solve the LeetCode question 577, which is employee bonus, and it is marked as an easy question. So this is an SQL question. So let us just read what's given in the question. So we are given two tables. I can see that. Okay, so the question is, we need to write a solution to report the name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 1,000. Right, so we need to return the result in any order, and the following is the example. So let's just see what are the tables. The tables that are given to us are employee and bonus. So in the employee, we have four columns, which is empi, name, supervisor, and salary. And empi would definitely be the primary key, and we have empi here as well. And this in bonus table, it would be a foreign key because it references to emp from the employee table, that is this table, right? So now the question, right? So we are given the first example. So input table is employee table is this, and the bonus table is this. So the output would be this, right? So what is given, we need to report the name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 1,000. So here we can see that Brad gets a null bonus. Okay, that's because the emp ID does not have his ID 3, and even John, whose ID is 1, his ID is also not present in the bonus table. So that means that Brad and John with emp IDs 3 and 1, since they are not present in the bonus table, that means that they are not being given any bonus. Now it does not matter what salary they have. It's just we need to check who is getting the bonus and who is getting uh, a bonus less than 1,000, right? So we will consider all those employees who have who are getting a bonus less than 1,000, and that would include people who who are not getting any bonus at all. So definitely three and one employee IDs would definitely be in this table. So therefore, Brad and John would be in the output, right? Now it is time for employee ID 2, which is Dan. Now since we can check in the bonus table, since Dan is getting a bonus of 500, which is definitely less than 1,000, we would include it in our output. And finally, our employee table, we check for the employee ID 4. Now since 4 is getting a bonus of 2,000, we have to neglect this guy, and that's why Thomas, whose employee ID is 4, is not in our output. So that was the explanation for our example 1. And now let's just get to the coding part. So we need to report the name. So we'll definitely use the select statement, which is used to print out whatever we want. So select, now we can use an alias name. So I use select E for employees and D for bonus. So I have to report the name and the bonus, right? So E dot name, its name, and B dot bonus from our table. So I'm using an alias. So employee E, employee E is now we need to perform the left join here. So I'll write left join with the bonus B, that's the table name, the second table name, and we say where E dot, what is the common column ID, column name, which is emp ID, is the column that is common to both. So we use that emp ID is equal to B dot emp ID, and this is the where condition. And now we need to choose that those employees with a bonus less than 1,000, where this is happening. And sorry, this there would be your bonus on, right, on e dot empid is equal to p dot empid, where now the where condition comes here. So that's just a part of the syntax. So here I did a mistake. The left join, once we write the left join, so we need to just write this syntax on, and then provide the columns which are being compared, which are same in both the tables. Now where bonus less than 1,000. Now, as I told you guys that a bonus would be considered for those guys, like those we would be considering those people who are getting a bonus less than 1,000, which is this condition, and also those guys who are not in the bonus table. So those employee IDs who are not present in the bonus table would also be considered because they won't be getting any bonuses. And we say or the bonus less than 1,000 for those people who uh, where their bonus is null. So let's just try to run it, and hopefully this is correct. Yeah, it's accepted and it's just submitted. So yeah, it's all accepted also. So thank you guys.